Threat actors are capitalizing on today's growing threat landscape through heat attacks, or highly evasive adaptive threats. These heat attacks evade legacy security stacks, leverage web browser capabilities to deliver things like sophisticated malware that can ultimately lead to ransomware. One heat technique being used is around evading file content inspection. We see this technique used in a variety of different ways. One is oversized file archives. Adversaries use this tactic to send files that exceed the file size limit of a traditional sandbox. Then there's password protected documents, similar type tactic. This is used to go right past the sandbox detection without a password provided within the email itself. And then lastly, there's things like HTML smuggling. Here, threat actors insert benign JavaScript blobs into HTML files that dynamically rebuild themselves once clicked on by the end user. For example, as we all probably saw in the news, the Nobelium hacking group used HTML smuggling to launch a successful ransomware attack against SolarWinds. At the end of the day, these traditional security defenses don't work against things like heat attacks. Endpoint security only detects the threat once it's actually written to the file system, at which point a network's already likely been compromised. Customers need to shift that mindset from one of really that's focused around detection and response to one of prevention. This allows them to prevent these heat attacks from ever reaching the endpoint in the first place by cutting off the threats at that initial point of access.